Hey everybody, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I did my faux locks on my twist on my long hair. I used the Outre Expressions Mermaid and Springy Afro Twist 16" and this is how it looks. So this is the one that I purchased, and the funny thing is I only needed one pack and I bought 3. Let me know with the like that you like this color. You know your girl is always rocking something blue. I gotta do it. I love me some blue. And I hope you like it. This is not a tutorial. And also, the ends of my hair, I left them sticking out because your girl is scared just to like get this hair out of my head. I'm really nervous about taking this down, so I didn't want this to be hard for me to take down. Let's get to the scene where I'm barefaced and trying to show you guys how I do this. Enjoy it.